Very good, my friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own clean key. Do you want to keep your hands clean and don't be using all the time the cleaning solution? Then you will need a clean key. This is going to help you to don't use the cleaning solution that frequently, and it's going to be super cheap. You just need to find some materials. You will need titanium or stainless steel. These materials are super clean. The only problem with these materials are they are not going to be detected by some touching screens because they are capacitive or resistive. They are going to find hard to detect the titanium or the iron. You can make it out of copper, but the copper is not that clean. This one, the titanium, is perfect because it's very light and you will not notice that you have this key, and it's super durable and strong. With this you will be able to open safely doors like this one I have here, just by doing like this, and then you just release it like this. You can safely clean it in the dishwater just by using some soap. And this is stainless, so it's not going to get any oxide or damage from this because titanium is not going to get this. This is one advantage if we compare with copper one. After it's safely cleaned, we can clean our hands. Here is the safe key. The only thing you need to buy is one of these items, and then we just need to attach it to the key. Okay, we insert it on the key and release. What we have to be careful is to only touch this part. This part is going to be the dirty part, and this one will be the safe part from here. So we just need to use in wherever we need it, and then release it, and we'll go to our trousers. You should use it to open the door on your building. It's a good idea to use it also to press buttons, like when you are traveling in metro or these kinds of things. It's a safe option when you need to use the keyboard from a cashier machine or ATM. We can open whatever we need without touching it. Also, we can use it with this too. Now we are going to see the building process. hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I built a lot of stuff. You can check the video about the chimney, you can check the video about the silver ring. You will find the cards in the corners of the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.